So here we are with the 2025 Jayco Redhawk 26M, and I'd like to talk to you about some of the things that make this unit special. First of all, I want to mention the fact that this is on the E450 chassis with the new for 2021 and newer models 5.7 liter V8. It gives a much better torque down low, and it also has a revised six-speed gearbox. Moving along, one of the things that makes this unit very special in the RV world, and all the Jayco classes, Greyhawk and Redhawks, is the way Jayco has modified this front cap. Historically with classes, the number one issue has always been this front cap. Why? Because you have some inherent flex, and because with all other brands you see the seals on each side, top and bottom, and eventually those seals they can dry off and let water in, and water gets underneath the mattress. You don't usually notice it has it until you got mold underneath the mattress. What Jayco has done is make the frame way stronger and has made this front cap one piece where the seal is all the way underneath, about 1 foot inside. So basically, long story short, you don't ever have to worry about water leakage on the front cap. Another nice thing about this unit is that new for 2024 and carried on to 25, they've added side cameras. So now when you put your blinker onto the left or right, automatically shows you got no blind spots. That's really nice. I really like that. Moving along, you got outside speakers, a really nice electrical awning, frameless windows that allow you to have the windows open even if it's raining outside. You have nice airflow through. You have a grill and a 12-volt fridge for the outside as well. Another thing that makes Jayco really special is the fact that this unit is actually rated to tow 7,500 pounds. Now, a lot of other brands will have hitches on the back that rated up to 8,400 pounds, but what that tells you is that when they're empty. When they're loaded, they're only really rated to tow 5,000 pounds. The Redhawks and the Greyhawks are actually rated to tow 7,500 pounds even when fully loaded, okay? Ladder to access the roof. I mentioned towing 7,500 pounds. That also means you can put 750 pounds on the hitch down. So if you want to carry a motorcycle, scooter, e-mountain bikes, anything like that, you have 750 pounds of weight to put down. All LED lights inside and outside, which reduce energy consumption. You have your tank flush right here. You have your outside shower. This unit is equipped with slide toppers. Nice option to have. This gives access to the Murphy bed motor, extra storage on the slide. And next we'll talk about the generator. The new thing for 2025 with the Jayco Redhawks and the Greyhawks is the new generator. What makes this special is that it's a dual fuel, propane and electric. With the older generators, once you got a quarter gas tank, basically you cannot use the generator anymore, so they won't be stranded. But now it just switches to propane, so you still have much better generator use for dry camping. So as I mentioned outside when we were talking about the front cap, here's another big difference. Because they made the frame for this front cap much stronger, the industry standard for this top bunk is 300 pounds, with Jayco 750 pounds. So that means full adults can sleep here, and also means that if you use it for storage, you really don't have to worry about capacity. As you can see, you also get this net here for safety. You can use it for luggage, or if you have young kids, you want to make sure they don't fall out. This helps. Another thing I like to mention is new for 2025. Not only do you have a bigger Sony screen for your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, but also this tilts for the first time. Very roomy interior, ideal for 4 people and maybe 2 kids. Wraparound dinette that 5-6 people can eat comfortably. Very nice thing about this unit is also lots of storage. This is the ladder for the top bunk, and that is the cushion for when you make the dinette into a bed. This unit has a Murphy bed with storage underneath. Probably my favorite thing about it is that you have a big TV right in front of it, smart TV that can be angled away, and you also have an electrical heater. Very roomy bathroom with lots more storage. Another nice thing about this layout is even with the slide is in, it's fully usable. You can eat, you can use the bathroom, you can get to the fridge. Speaking of the fridge, this is a 12-volt fridge. And if you're wondering about dry camping with a 12-volt fridge, you don't have to worry. This unit has the solar package. which gives you 200 watts of solar on the roof. With that solar package, you get a second battery added to the coach. So now you have 2 batteries for the coach. Between the generator, the 2 batteries, and the solar, you don't have to worry about dry camping. For a 26-footer, this also has really good kitchen counter. You have an oven and a big microwave. For the kitchen counter, you also have an induction phone charger, which also gives you micro USB, USB, and 12-volt plugs. There's one more thing that makes the Jayco Redhawk really special, and that is the fact that it has dual ACs. What really is nice thing about it is that it is dual ACs that runs off 30 amps. So it's got a smart computer management system that allows dual ACs to run off 30 amp, and that helps you because in most campsites are only 30 amp. You have a 50 amp as most motorhomes with dual ACs are. You plug into 30 amp, you can only run one AC. Again, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, and this is the new Jayco Redhawk. We have a lot more nice stuff in here. Please come by and check them out.